Hello dear friends, now today we learn that a fixed beam having the initial rotation. So what is the problem here? The yielding of support in a fixed beam permits anti-clockwise rotation of 0.02 radian at A and 0.03 radian at the B, and also the downward settlement of 60 mm at A. Analyze a beam and draw the BMD. Take E is equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 5 and I is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 7. Now here in this problem, this having the initial rotation both the ends. So now suppose this is a fixed beam. We take here the first case. Here what here first is rotation of support A by 0.02 radian in anti-clockwise. Okay, first case, what is rotation of support A by 0.02 radian in anti-clockwise direction. So now suppose this is a beam. Okay, fixed beam. Now this first condition is what? Rotation of support A by 0.02 radian in anti-clockwise direction. Now here what here? Anti-clockwise mean in this direction, like so. Here in this way this will rotate here in anti-clockwise way, and this angle is 0.02. So now here for the rotation of 0.02 at support A, moment required is the 4 EI by L into the IA, or 4 EI by L into theta I. Now this direction is the anti-clockwise rotation. So here this will same direction the moment is produced at the B. This will automatically produce the moment at the B, or rotation at the B, and the moment is half of this, that is the 2 EI by L into theta I. What you understand? That rotation at A in anti-clockwise direction, that is 0.02 radian. So for that the moment required is how much? For this rotation is 4 EI by L into the theta I or IA. Now this moment automatically produces the half moment to the another fixed moment, and that is the 2 EI by L into theta I. This is our first case. Okay, then we go for the second case, that is the second case, rotation of support B by 0.03 radian in anti-clockwise direction. Here also the anti-clockwise direction. anti-clockwise. So again we draw here the beam. Suppose this is a fixed beam. Okay, support A is support B. Now here what anti-clockwise direction means, right there, like this. Here anti-clockwise direction, this rotate in the suppose this is support, so this rotate in the anti-clockwise direction like this here. So we can say that this rotation is 0.03 radian. Now how much movement required here to rotate this 0.03 radian, and that is the 4 EI by L into theta B. This is the rotation required at B to produce this radian, this angle 0.03 radian. Now this will produce automatically half the moment in the same direction. What direction is anti-clockwise? So same direction, here is the moment, and that is the half of this, that is 2 EI by L into theta B. Okay, so we got here the two conditions. Now third condition, that is sinking or settlement of support A by 60 mm. Now suppose we draw the here a fixed beam like this. So here is a sinking, this support sinks to the below my 60 mm. So suppose we draw here the this way, and this will sink like this. This height from center of this beam to the center of this is the 60. So here due to sinking of this support, here automatically produces the moment like this, downward pushing. The movement direction always the downward pushing. If support A is B sink, so here also the downward pushing. So here like this. Now this automatically produces the moment at the support B in the same way and same magnitude. What here? Previous one was the half magnitude here, but here is the same direction and same magnitude. So here is a produces the clockwise. So here produces the moment in clockwise direction. Now how much this moment is? Formula is the 6 EI delta by L square. This also the 6 EI delta by L square. Okay. So now here we have to find out the fixed end moment at A and fixed end moment at the B. Now we can say that here MA moment at A here due to, first is due to rotation of support A plus due to rotation of support B, and last one is the sinking of support A. Now we write here the one by one moment. Now first one, this is the A. How much is moment is 4 EI by L into theta A. Okay. Now look this direction. So this try to push this here. If we draw the like here up to the beam, so this will try to push this upward side. Push this upward side. It means the hogging moment. So here is minus 4 EI by L into theta A. Then due to rotation at the B. Now this also produces what? In the hogging direction. This try to push upward side means hogging side. How much moment magnitude is 2 EI by L into theta B. So again minus 2 EI by L into theta B. And last one here, due to this sinking, where the sinking support is downward, there is always the sagging. So here this direction is a sagging direction. That is why it's a plus. That is why it's a plus 6 EI delta by L square. Now in the problem the given is E into I. So if you multiply here E into I, so that is 2 into 10 raised to power 5 into 3 into 10 raised to power 7. So this becomes Newton mm square into mm raised to power 4. This square get cancelled. So this becomes here 2 into 10 raised to power 5 into 3 into 10 raised to power 7 Newton mm square. Now we want here the kilonewton. So 2 into 10 raised to power 5 into 3 into 10 raised to power 7 divided by 1000. So this becomes kilonewton mm square. Now we want to convert this mm square into meter square. We know here 1000 mm is equal to 1 meter. So squaring both the side, so 1000 square mm square is equal to meter square. We want here the what? Replace the meter square. So mm square is equal to meter square divided by 1000 square. So here 2 into 10 raised to power 5 into 3 into 10 raised to power 7 divided by 1000 into here kilonewton meter square divided by 1000 square. So this value becomes the 6000 kilonewton meter square E into I. In this way this becomes 6000 kilonewton meter square. Now we have to put all this value here. Now minus 4 E into I is a 6000, theta A is 0.02 divided by the 20 minus 2 into 6000. This is the in radian. We have to take here the theta in radian. Given is the in radian divided by the L is 20 meter. Now here this L is here, this L is the 20 meter. This L is the 20 meter. Then plus what here 6 into EI, that is the 6000 into E. Delta is given is 60 mm. 60 mm. We have to convert it into the meter. So 60 into 20 square into the 1000. So that becomes the in meter. So calculate this value. So this becomes what here? 4 into 6000.02 divided by 20. So this becomes minus 24. Then here minus 2 into 6000 into 0.03 divided by 20. So this becomes 18 plus here 6 into 6000 into 60 divided by 20 square divided by 1000. So this becomes 5.4, that is equal to here becomes minus 24 minus 18 becomes 36.6. Minus means is a hogging. Here minus means anti-clockwise movement applied there at support A, so that becomes the hogging. Then MB is the same due to rotation of support A plus due to rotation of support B plus the sinking. Now one by one here we take here. First, rotation at A. How much is this? Try is pushed downward, it means the sagging moment. How much is it? 2 EI by L into theta I. So here plus 2 EI by L into theta I. Then this is the first. The next is here at B. How much this? This also try to push this downward, so that is again the sagging moment. So it is a plus. How much is 4 EI by L into theta B? 4 EI by L into theta B. Now at this B support. Now this try to push this upward side. So this shape is what? Hogging shape. It is a minus. That is why minus 6 EI delta by L square. Now put all this value 2 here into 6000 delta theta is 0.02 divided by the 20 plus here what? 4 into 6000 into 0.03 divided by 20 minus 6 into 6000 EI delta is 60 and divided by 1000, that gives a divided 1000 here. Here is L square, so 20 square. So if you calculate here 2 into 6000 into 0.02 divided by 20 becomes the 12 plus 4 into 6000 into 0.03 divided by 20, 36, and here this value is same. This value and this value is the same, so that is minus 5.4. So total is equal to plus 12 minus 5.4. This becomes, now apply this in the clockwise fashion. Now the last one part is the bending moment diagram. Now if you draw the finally how that moment is here at support A is minus means anti-clockwise here. $36.6 and here is a plus, means clockwise. This write here. Now plus means sagging. Plus means the sagging, because we are taking minus as hogging, plus as sagging. So your answer is what? Is a plus. So it is like this, sagging. It is 42.6. So BMD is like this. This hogging bend moments is below the line, this sagging above the line. This is 42.6 and this is 36.6, and join this both. Minus and plus. So this is the final BMD. Thank you.